Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix no audio output device problem in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us begin. First, we will open the device manager. So here in our Windows icon, please make a right click and then go to device manager options. Once you do that, you will see this device manager window coming up. Here, we need to change only two settings, the sound, video, and game controllers, as well as the system devices. So please go first with the system devices. Please click on that and then select this arrow here. And here we need to look for high definition options, this one, or sound options. So if you see sound options here, since I don't see any sound options here, then we will go with the high definition audio controller. And once you found it, since we have two here, please make a right click on the first one and then go with update driver options. And we will go first with the first option, search automatically for drivers. Now once you click on that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we can go back with the same page and then click on the second option here that says browse my computer for drivers. Now once you do that, we will proceed with clicking this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then if you see here 2, 3, 4 or many models, then you can try selecting it and then install it to your device and then see if it's worked. Okay, so if it still doesn't work, then just go again with this window and then click the other one, or you can check them one by one also. And then once you have selected it, just click on this next here and it will be installed in your device. Okay, so once this is done, you can now proceed with another device or driver. So please click on the second one and then make a right click on that and then click on this update driver button here, and then just like what we did earlier, please click first the search automatically for drivers, and then when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then let us go back and try the second option that says browse my computer for drivers. So again, choose the let me pick from a list of available drivers, and if you see again some drivers here or device driver, then just select it and then click on this next button here and then just make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's working. So the next thing we need to do is to go to sound, video, and game options. So let me just minimize this one. So please click this arrow here, and then if you see your main audio device, so I have here the Realtek audio. So if you see your main audio device, just click on that and then make a right click, click on update driver, and then try the first option, search automatically for drivers. And when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then go back with the same window, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick, and then if you see here another or other 2 to 3 device driver, then just try them one by one and then see whichever from the list here works. Okay, so once you're done, then just make a quick restart with your device and see if it's working. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.